You should read this. One of the U.S. bobsledders pulled a muscle. Looks like they'll need a sub.
I must go.
Any excuse is a good excuse to get to.
Davis County Emergency Management has declared a severe danger alert to the city of Reagan at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Multiple reports of anomalies resembling voices have been reported by the public. People who have came in contact with the voices will fall into a timeless loop for 15 minutes before hallucination of the timeline occurs to turn until the timeline reaches the present day. Then the person starts to go insane for 1 hour before passing away. So far, 100 people have been killed by this gruesome and disturbing event. Residents are advised to stay away from the county border until the voices are shut down.
Anywhere to anyone.
Brown makes me feel powerful. Brown lets me be everywhere all at once. Brown soft